guys, so this video is all about the hair that I've been wearing in my couple of videos. I posted the hair on Instagram, which I'll have my new Instagram in the link in the description bar below, so you can just click that and follow me. If you were following before on my old Instagram that had 28,000 followers, that got hacked, so excuse me, so you can follow on that one now. So yeah, so I posted a picture and everyone was like, yo, Lyric, that hair, what is that hair, what is that, girl, you need to tell me. So the company is called Regal Essence Virgin Hair Company, and their slogan is feel like the queen you were created to be. Alright, so the hair that I'm wearing it's actually two textures. I'm wearing a Malaysian closure, and I'm also wearing in the waves Brazilian. No, my hair is up because my hair has been done for 2.5 weeks, and whenever it itches. Whenever my hair hits 2 weeks, I'm done. I cannot keep in a sew in longer than 2 weeks. It starts to itch, the braids start to loosen, and I literally get bored. I seriously get bored. I'm like, oh, this has got to come out. So before I took the hair down, I wanted to let you guys know what it is that I'm wearing. So I'm wearing the Malaysian closure in 14-inch. Is it in 16 inches? And I'm wearing, I'll have the links in the description bar below, but I'm wearing 2 bundles, and I'm wearing 2.5 bundles of the wefted Brazilian hair, and then the closure. I'm going to insert a picture right now of how everything came to me. So the shampoos and conditioner that you see, that is not just for me as a YouTuber getting this stuff to review. This is actually what each customer gets. Each customer gets a mini shampoo and conditioner. You get your item in that cute little satin bag. I mean, the presentation was uncanny. I was like, yo, this is some good hair. So I really appreciated how they packaged the hair, and I wrote them. I was like, yo, is this just for me, or do my girls get this when they order from your company? And they say yes, auntie. So yeah, so far I've really been loving the hair. I mean, it's kind of unfair because I haven't gotten a hair that I'm like, oh, the hair is crap, I'll never wear this hair again. Because if that's the case, then I would have already contacted the company, let them know what they need to change, and then have them change it and then get back to me, rather than spread propaganda, you know what I mean? Because when I do reviews for companies, everybody benefits. You benefit to know if you want to buy the hair. I benefit because I get to test the hair for the company, and let's be real, I didn't pay for it, and the company benefits just in case I have anything they need to work on or tweak or do differently, right? So if I have horrible bad hair, you will not be hearing it from me. So I only review hair that I like, hair that I love, and honestly I like this hair. Now, point is, if you want, I forgot what I was saying, but the point is, I had to run out, I'm sorry. The point is, yeah, if you want good quality hair, you have to spend good quality money, and you do have companies that have affordable hair, like Royal Essence. You do have companies like that. So if you find companies like that, do invest, but don't shy away from the companies that have expensive hair and you've seen the reviews, because I don't do a review with a company if their hair is crappy, because the reason for me doing the review is to test it out, and if it's not good, I have to say to the company, yo, this is not going to work out, and I'm not going to put my followers through this. This is absolutely redundant. Okay, alright, so as I said before, the links will be in the description bar below for you ladies. Also, shedding, this hair does shed. It does shed. So if you don't want to hit, so if you purchase this hair, I'd highly recommend you seal the wefts. It does shed. Does it tangle? No, it doesn't tangle a lot. It doesn't tangle a lot, but it does shed though. It does shed. Especially when I'm brushing it out. I guess because I cut the wefts when I'm putting on the hair. when I got the hair done. Oh gosh, my hairdresser's name is Natalia Golding, and I'll leave her information in the description bar below. We work together whenever we have weddings. She recommends me, I recommend her. So if I've ever done your wedding, you know Natalia, you know her. So I'll leave her information in the description bar below, as well as her Instagram in the description bar below. She's Jamaican, but she does travel for work. Yeah, so she's the one who did my hair. She's the one who actually has been sewing in my hair. I have not made a wig in a long time, and I have not sewed in my own hair in a very, very long time. So yeah, so she's the one that did my hair for me. And yes, I had my hair sewn in. So for the shedding, I'd attribute it to it being sewn in, because you know, when it's on a wig, you do limit the shedding, because when it's on the wig, it's not tugging that much on a wig, meaning on a wig cap, not like a 3/4 wig or a half wig, on like a wig on like a dome cap or whatever, a wig on a cap that you can just take off and put on, take off and put on. Those ones, the shedding is not bad at all, because the hair is not, it's not much movement going on the hair. It's not on your head, rubbing on the nape of your neck. It's not rubbing on your clothes, you know, it's not doing none of that for an extended period of time. It's just on a cap, you take it off and you go when you want to take it off and go. So yeah, so with all of that being said, I really do recommend this hair. As I say, it's Brazilian and with a Malaysian closure. I do not recommend mixing these two textures though, and I did speak to the company. So if you're getting a different closure for whatever reason and it's Brazilian hair, I'd definitely go with the Peruvian closure. Or which other one? Yeah, with the Peruvian closure, because the Peruvian, it has the same density as the Brazilian. If you're going with a Malaysian closure, it can get away with an Indian closure, and the Indian closure as well if you're doing a Malaysian weft. And also for the Indian closure as well, if you're doing Brazilian, the Indian closure, you can actually get away with the Indian closure. But for the Brazilian and the Indian, the textures are so far apart. The Malaysian hair is very light, Brazilian hair is a little bit thicker. Brazilian and Peruvians are a little bit thicker, and the Malaysian hair is really light. So yeah, so on that note, I would say don't mix the Malaysian and the Brazilian. I would say either get the Brazilian closure, or if you can't get the Brazilian closure, then you can go with the Peruvian closure. Moya? Oh, then you can, yeah. So with that being said, I guess that's it for my video. As I said, the links would be in the description bar below, and if you know, my website is constantly being updated with my YouTube videos, so pictures are also on my website. You can check out my website at Rochester.com. and yeah, that's basically it. I don't really have much to say. I've been wearing this hair for 2.5 weeks. I said that? Yeah, I did. I said that. 2.5 weeks. Alright, you guys, that's it for this video, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.